Never ever trust a narcissist family, no matter how kind they pretend to be. They are not your people, they're his. They will watch you suffer, hear the way you are being torn apart, and still act like they saw and heard nothing. They protect the narcissist. Why? Because he is theirs and you are an outsider. And that loyalty runs deep than truth. His mother, who treats him like an emotional husband, will never allow peace between you and her son. In her mind, you did not marry him. No, you stole him. She sees herself as the one with the first and only right to his heart. Her obsession? Hey, what is it? It's control, it's not love. His sister, strangely possessive, behaves more like a jealous girlfriend than a sibling. She competes with you. In her eyes, she should come first, and you're nothing more than a threat to her bond with her brother. It's not sisterly, not in any way, it's unsettling. Then there is the father, emotionally absent for decades. He was never there for the mother, so she clung to the son. And now, even as he watches you being disrespected and emotionally dismantled, he stays quiet. He does not love his son, but he enables him. He knows what is happening, but still chooses silence. And finally, his brother, the one who smiles in your face, acts polite, and pretends to care. But it is all for show. When it really matters, he's never there. His loyalty is to appearances, not to justice. He's the snake in the grass, charming on the surface but coiled and ready to strike when the moment suits him. You're always treated as an outsider, like I said, no matter how hard you try to belong. I'm Danish, a narcissistic abuse recovery professional. Welcome to my channel. Today, I am going to talk about 4 family members of a narcissist you must not trust at any cost at all. Let's start with the enabling mother. She acts like her son is absolutely flawless. In her eyes, he is the golden child who can do no wrong. She sees every single piece of abuse he puts you through, but she always minimizes it. Even when he raises his hands on you, she'll say, "It's not that bad." People are seeing worse things in their marriages. You're making a big deal out of nothing. From day one, you feel like an intruder in your own marriage. It's as if you and your mother in law are fighting a custody battle over a grown man. She never cut the umbilical cord and treats her son like a surrogate husband. This started when he was just a child. Her own husband was never emotionally available, so she turned to her son to fill that void. But if she treats him like her husband, why did she get him married in the first place? Simple. She does not want to do the hard work that requires love. She wants you as free labor to cook, clean, do laundry, and take care of everyone. She gets all the emotional connection without any of the effort. The worst part is watching how he has no voice of his own. Everything has to be approved by mother. You do not cook like my mother knows this, my mother knows that. If he wants to go somewhere, he needs her permission. A perfect mama's boy. It's nauseating. Some people I have worked with have even told me that during intimate moments, their partners suddenly started calling out for mommy. That's crazy. Can you imagine how disruptive and disturbing that would be? Many mother in laws even suggest not closing bedroom doors while sleeping because they feel scared alone. They will fake illnesses and knock on closed doors, completely destroying any privacy you may have. Moving to the sister now. She is in constant comparison mode, measuring everything you do against herself. From your cooking to your clothes, she judges it all. She acts more like a possessive girlfriend than a sister. She crosses personal boundaries, asks inappropriate questions, and offers unwanted advice like she has some authority over you. She is always competing with you for her brother's attention. If he buys you something, she immediately complains about why she did not get anything. She tries to act like your friend to your face, but behind your back, she is constantly gossiping, talking against you. She poisons his mind with lies and creates fights between you two. When conflicts arise, she's always on his side, never yours. Now, let's talk about the father. Just like in the past, he remains emotionally unavailable. He was never there for his wife or son, and he continues playing that same role now. Even though he sees everything bad happening to you, he knows everything, he says nothing. He acts like he cannot hear, see, or speak because it's not his problem. But when it comes to enabling his wife or even son, suddenly he's very involved. He easily takes their side and fights for them. There is no real love or respect between the narcissist and his family members, but blood is thicker than water. So the father always supports the son no matter how wrong he may be. For him, family image is everything. It's more important than respect, loyalty, love, more important than truth. He can sacrifice anything for the family's reputation, but he won't give an inch for genuine love. He appears calm and mellow on the outside, but his heart is made of stone. His only job is maintaining the family's reputation. Finally, we have his brother, a covert narcissist quite often. He is like a snake hiding in the grass. He appears sweet, jolly, and understanding. He acts supportive, tries to comfort you during difficult times, and seems genuinely caring. You actually believe he is different from the rest. Yet he is not. The circus never travels alone. Behind that charm and charisma lies the same darkness. He will smile at you, comfort you, then immediately sit down with a narcissist and share everything you told him in confidence. He backbites about you, ruins your image in the family, and subtly poisons others against you. The most sinister thing about him is that he first gains your trust, then he betrays you. That's what makes him the most dangerous family member after the mother and sister. He maintains the narcissist's victim image even when he knows you are the one suffering. These four family members form a protective wall around the narcissist. They enable his behavior, minimize your pain, and ensure he never faces consequences for his actions. You need to understand their roles because it helps you to see the bigger picture and protect yourself from their extreme manipulation. Remember, their loyalty to him will always come before any fairness to you, which is why I am repeating myself. You cannot go to them for any sort of help. You're on your own, and the best thing to do is to cut off ties not only with the main narcissist but his family as well. Let's bring this episode to an end. Thank you so much for listening. I will talk to you in the next one. Until then, as always, let the healing begin and continue.